Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Strip Kwik. What is BioGuard Strip Kwik? BioGuard Strip Kwik is an effective degreaser that unclogs your sand, cartridge, and DE filter, restoring it to optimal efficiency. Its patented formula quickly cuts through the thickest oil, grease, dirt, and other contaminant buildup on your filter elements to greatly extend its lifespan, saving you money over the course of the pool season. Strip Kwik also is able to clean your filter in about an hour instead of overnight soaking like its competitors. Product benefits: removes grease and oil deposits, works on all filter types. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.